Chloe has a Bizy Beauty box, so if you want to see what she got, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And Bandit is hiding under the bed. So we're looking a little different than in the little teaser at the beginning, right? That's because I thought we filmed it and apparently we did not. So this is take 2 of Chloe's birthday Bizy Beauty Customs box. Now this is a private company. They have made this into a business, so it's not just like a little side thing anymore. So Steph and her team are now an actual business, and it is still referrals only, and I believe there is still a waiting list, but you can check her out on Instagram and see how you can get on the waiting list. All right, so what do you want to start with, Chloe? You want to save that for last?
Oh no, I thought we were going to do this first.
No, save that for last. It's like the best thing in the box.
Alright. So first off, we have this adorable cup. And it's just like full of like makeup wipes, bacteria wipes that are watermelon scented. This really cute hand sanitizer that smells nice. It's like champagne toast. Yeah.
Isn't there something else in there?
Yeah. And this absolutely adorable keychain. It's like an ice cream cone.
Get into the next thing.
So next we have this underwater oasis perfume. It has really pretty triangles down here.
It does smell very nice, very beachy.
This set right here, there's the body butter and the sugar scrub. They're both shea, and they both smell like birthday cake.
Sprinkles. It looks like there's sprinkles in here.
Yeah, it smells amazing. Why don't you show that one, because that one has the sprinkles.
So good.
And then there's this just like a cute little thing where you could put like lip glosses, tissues, money, whatever you want. Some micellar water. We definitely needed some more because our old one was running out. Lizzie McGuire lip gloss. It's so cute. And we actually do have another one of these at home, I believe.
I think we got one from Steph before too.
Yeah, I think
these are nice though because they have a little sparkle in them, but not much color, so they're kind of nice, particularly for school.
So this goes together. These are like reusable eye masks. They don't have anything on it, but you put like a serum or a cream on it, and then this is like the serum that goes with it. It's such a pretty container, and I believe this is the one that smells like bananas and coconut. Yeah, this is the one that smells like bananas and coconut.
Oh yeah, it smells so good.
I know. I just love the scent of banana.
And this is a great line. Like this is a line you can get at Target, so it's not. I mean, it's not cheap, but it's not
expensive.
Super expensive.
And then we have like the cutest pen ever. I already showed them that.
I know. I'm just giving a closer look.
Fun facts. Last year, going into the year that I just finished, my mom actually got like a unicorn pen like that for herself, but it was scented and it had like 10 colors, and everybody wanted my unicorn pen. Even when it broke, people were like, "Oh, Chloe, can I have that unicorn pen?" Which I found super funny because it wasn't just the girls either. It was like these 13-year-old guys being like, "Can I have your rainbow scented unicorn pen?" I think they were doing it as a joke, but. So next we have this e.l.f. primer, this lip gloss, which I believe this one is the most silver one. Ooh, no, I was wrong. Yeah, this one has like a pinky, really pretty.
So this is their ColourPop times Snitchery line.
It is a very pretty color, and I tried all these on when we filmed it originally. It's just
And what was the name of this? I know you didn't like the name, but Thirst Trap.
ugh. Then we have this. It smells like oranges.
That's by Essence. Essence makes that nice mascara that you like.
Ooh. More watermelon bacteria wipes. Now this one was really good. I really like this one, if I remember correctly. I opened it this way, right? Now that is like super adorable. It has like a pinky purple, and those sparkles are amazing. Then there's this. Oh, I can kind of smell a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Very light. It's a coconut vanilla mini deodorant.
By Native.
Yes. Now this, I thought this was deodorant last time, but it's actually body wash and the same scent, vanilla coconut. Not much of a scent. And then there's this hydration treatment, which I could really use at my Nana's. It's moisturizer.
Should probably use this at camp.
Maybe. It would take up less room, I think. Oh, I remember this. This perfume smells literally amazing.
That's the Ariel perfume. This is by Glamlet, I believe.
It's a bit stronger, but you want to show them?
I just did. I was just going to help you put it in there so you could.
Yes, no.
Mm-hmm. Little different of a scent than the other one, but both very nice.
And then some more sunscreen. Because you could always use more sunscreen.
And
The cute bag. And it is a double sequin, so it flips both ways.
but I'm not allowed to flip it because they have to all be going the same direction.
Now this one is really cute. This one's the Barbie one. It is a lip gloss. You can swatch it if you want. That's shimmery gold.
That's by Glamlight also.
Next lip gloss is this one. This one is more like balmy. It's like a Sour Patch Kids watermelon Sour Patch.
This was the.
Then there's this right here. It's a setting spray for makeup.
And this is that same like banana coconut
Yes.
type scent.
Then there's this, which doubles as like an exfoliator, and this part is like a spatula for like putting on face masks. We have this gorgeous Little Mermaid palette.
And this is, I don't know who this is by. It's very pretty.
Then there's this Hershey's chocolate syrup lip gloss. It's clear, but it smells really good.
It smells just like chocolate syrup.
There's this face wash, and it smells just amazing. Yep, just like the same banana scent. Oh, it's a face wash, not body wash. Did I say body wash?
No, it's a face wash.
Now, there's this adorable Hello Kitty notebook. I'm probably going to use this one for like math or something because it has like the dotted sheets. All of them are the same. They just have like the little like folder marks for the different characters if you wanted to separate them into different subjects. Oh.
The last thing, you ready?
This adorable jellyfish eyeshadow palette.
By Unearthly Cosmetics. Again, this is their Don't Be Jelly.
Now look at those colors.
We have a bunch of multi-chromes, not just duochromes, but multi-chromes.
And we even have a couple pearlescents in there. Pearlescents are so pretty.
So, was this pretty personalized to you, do you think?
Yeah, it was, and I really liked everything in it.
And really, the only thing I said was she asked me about this, and I said absolutely she would love this. Like, she would, if she even knew it existed, I would have had to have purchased it. And I just said, like, you know, whatever, like lip glosses, cutesy stuff. She has done a couple of boxes for Chloe, so she knows her well enough to be able to put something together. Knocked it out of the park, I think. Those Pacifica products, love them. I know I'll have to repurchase them for her, but at least I know that they are affordable products. So the whole box with shipping and taxes came to about $150. So this would be a $150 box. Just everybody's different, so it's based upon, you know, what kinds of things you like. If you want more high end, the Unearthly Cosmetics one, that is an indie brand. It is an expensive palette, but honestly, I don't know how she puts it together, because that palette alone is $60 on their website. So,
oh my God.
I don't know how she puts it all together like this. She must get some amazing deals. We're so glad you do, Steph. Thank you so much. For me as a mom, it saves me the time and a lot of money to go out and buy all this stuff, and puts a smile on her face.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
I'll make sure to use all the products.
She wanted to make sure that she did something that was like for the future marine biologist in you.
Oh, that's
Yes.
sweet.
All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.